Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will deliver this message over the air shortly.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. At around 6:12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the sun began to turn into pink radioactive color for no reason, and it's causing the sky turned in and into pink radioactive color, and the outside world has become extremely dangerous at this time, which is causing it toxic mechanicals to go outside. The sun is very dangerous, and no one else should never look at this pink sun, and if you do, you will go into a series of transformation. Basically, if you ever look at the sun, you will turn it into pink radioactive creatures, and scientists have discovered that the pink radioactive creatures was caused by a pink radioactive sun that is dangerous to look at. Therefore, if you look at the pink sun, not only you will turn them into pink radioactive creatures, but you will also die by the sun. NASA believes that this was probably caused by a known meteorological event that takes place in 10,000 years. The air has become toxic about 2 minutes ago. It does look like it's going to stay like this until further notice, according to scientists. As well as pink radioactive creatures, and the pink radioactive sun. It is unknown how did they become pink radioactive. It is believed to have something to do with someone else controlling it. But all residents of the United States are ordered to stay inside and shelter in place until the sun is cleared off. Don't look at the sun. If you do, you will turn into one of these creatures. The sun is becoming radioactive toxic to turn one of the people to creatures. Do not ever look at the sun. Shelter in place until further notice. And do not go outside. Do not panic, and gather food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, wireless chargers, toiletries, and a battery-powered video for your dilation of this emergency, which is seemed to be lasting until further notice. The sun will be shining in pink glowing, and the creatures will be brutally killing people in the side as well. If you look at the sun, you will turn it into one of these radioactive creatures. So it is the best to shelter in place immediately, and do not look at. Emergency update. At around 6:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the sun began to get closer and closer to the Earth, which is causing these weird temperatures to go up to 100 to 155. Those hot radioactive temperatures are expected to continue to increase until it gets to 266 or higher. The sun is becoming extremely toxic and very hot. Get ready for something might come out in the next few minutes. Do not look at the sun. Stay indoors and stay shelter in place possibly until 5 weeks ahead. Those pink temperatures are even causing some pink radioactive chemicals in the wildfires. Looking at the sun is very deadly.